reception. We haven't done a cooking activity for a long time, so today I thought we could do some under the sea snacks. But first we need to wash our hands. Now today we're going to use fruit. All you'll need is 1 strawberry, a couple of grapes, red or green, it doesn't matter, a couple of apples, maybe 2, 1 orange, a Scotch pancake, and just a little bit of yoghurt. Now the first sea creature we're going to make is a crab. Let me show you how. Right, we're going to take an apple. I'm going to use a knife to cut all the way in half. Make sure a grown-up helps you. So you've got 2 halves. You need to take out the stalk. Now, we're going to cut out the core of the apple very carefully with a knife so that we can eat it all safely. Be careful not to cut the apple in half. There we go. Now the core's gone. I'm not going to do it on the other half because I don't need to. So now you've got a whole apple, we're going to turn it upside down onto a plate, just like this. Now you're going to use the other part of your apple to make the legs for the crab. So we're going to slice this in half, long ways. Again, be very careful. The grown-up will help you with this part. Now we're going to cut some very tiny strips to make the crab's legs. Can you see? I'll show you how I'm assembling it in a minute. Now my crab is going to have 4 legs on each side and 2 big pincers. So I'm going to use what's left of my apple, cut it in half. I'm going to cut a big triangle shape to make a pincer or a claw. Do it again on the other one. There we go. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. The last thing I need to do is some eyes for the crab. So for that, I'm just going to take a red grape or a green one, put it in half, a little bit of yoghurt, place it onto my crab. There we go. I'll show you what it looks like. So you can see here, I've used my small chopped up pieces of apple to make some legs. There are his big claws or pincers. And the yoghurt is holding on his eyes. He's a good crab, isn't he? Okay, next we're going to make a turtle. For this, you'll need 1 Scotch pancake. And we're going to cut a circle from the middle because this is a bit too big. So it just going to carefully cut a hole. So you've got a little circle, and that's going to be our turtle's body. Then you need to peel an orange. Here's one I peeled earlier. And take the segments apart. So you've got 4 pieces. And then you're going to take a strawberry, cut off the top, and then cut straight down the middle. I'll show you how I've put them together. So we've got our pancake in the middle, 4 pieces of orange to make the turtle's legs or fins or flippers, and half a strawberry to make their head. So there we have it, our turtle and our crab. Have fun!